How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 72 Olds Cutlass. It's had a recent frame off restoration. It's got the 350 rocket in it. Super slick, straight down the sides. Front bumper's been all re-chromed. All the original grills, excellent condition. Beautiful paintwork, rich gold, black interior, super slick down the sides. Got a set of Rev Classics on it, DFGs all around. It's got box rear control arms, a sway bar. All the panel fitment on this car is very nice. Super slick car, guys. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the dual sport mirrors. I really like the gold on this car, just stands out. Your 350 rocket with 4-barrel. Got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Super nice car. They did delete the air conditioning in it. We do have some of the components that go with the car. Nice and clean the doors are. Interior's gorgeous in the car. Original door panels, original dash, all in excellent shape. It's an AM/FM 8-track, which is pretty rare. Headliner looks real nice, tight in the car. It's got the bucket seats up front. Got tilt wheel. All the weather stripping, window felts have been replaced. Trunk's nice and clean. We do have a set of rally wheels that can go with the car if you'd rather have the rallies, the factory rally wheel. Dash pad's real nice in the car. It's a super nice, excellent cruising, driving car. I've had the opportunity to drive this one myself as well. I put probably 50 miles on this car down the freeway. Just enjoyed it. Thing fires right up, runs beautiful. It's like we may have a blinker bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. Got a nice dual exhaust out the back. Sounds good. Tell you, it's just a super cool car. I tell you, I really like the gold, the black interior. Just a good looking car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.